In the middle of the jungle, yes, a truck. What else? Okay, we are ready to go, ready to leave Girón, and today will be the big day of the ferrocarril, which is one of my favorite trails, so let's go. Well, this is the ugly part of the day, leaving the big city, but it's just 15 minutes and we are almost done with it. Okay, we are almost at the start of the trail. Just have to find it, but we already left the highway, which is good because there were so many trucks today. Everybody behind me. It's always a relief to leave the highway, and even more when you're with a group of in total 11 bikes. It's always like, is everybody there? Is somebody missing? And I can't see it from here, so it's just hoping that everybody is there. But it's a very good group. We are all together, and now let the adventure start. Well, here we are on the railway track. Nice weather. Good conditions, I would say. It has not rained, it's not muddy. So I hope everybody's gonna have a great time.
Ja, ik ben van de...
Whoa. That's funny. Gonna that's the bad part. Well, it's different here. It has rained here, but it's nice. Da. Yay! Hay mucha agua, ¿cierto?
Como que llovió porque te pongo.
Sí, pero empezó todo con polvo y ahora está. Water, water everywhere. car. First the car and then my group. Lass dich ein bisschen anschieben von Martin.
Ja, der kann nicht durchfahren.
Ah ja. So this is a bit muddy here. Some of these holes are deep. Muddy section maybe? Oh yeah. Very good, very good. Yeah, Birgit is doing super good. Because she has short legs and then it's always different. And quite slippery. I hope she's having fun. But I think so. Ooh. In the middle of the jungle, yes, a truck. What else? And cattle on a journey. Buenas. A beautiful trail, and with a bit of mud it's more adventure still. I love it. Wow, look at this view. So this is a bit spooky for everybody. Let's see how they manage. And if you stop, it gets difficult because to the left or the right, it looks a bit funky. Yoo-hoo! No. Lo que te iba a decir, esos túneles de allá van a estar feísimos. Van a estar con barro.
La muchacha me dijo que llovió ayer.
Sí, y duro, ¿no? I guess everybody will be very hungry tonight, or even now for lunch. Gonna have a good lunch soon, and I'm sure everybody is hungry. But I know there comes a little bit a difficult part because it's steep end with lots of stones. I think it's now. Have to be careful too. Well, yeah, stony it is already. It's here, yes. This will be difficult for Birgit. It is difficult for me, and it will be difficult. Oops. Ooh. This is a hard one. Yo creo que tienes que buscarla, ¿no?
Yo le dije que se subiera y no.
Ah, no. Entonces, quiere ir caminando. O no te entendió o algo.
Yo le dije que se subiera.
Sí.
El puente está ahí.
Hä?
Das ist zu viel da.
Ja, das ist heftig. Und wenn du dann keinen guten Fußkontakt hast, dann ist das doof.
Das ist der entscheidende Punkt.
Ja.
Wir kommen ja immer noch bis unten hin.
Genau. Okay, I have reached the tunnel. There's a black hole. And I know it's terrible inside. I know it. And I told everybody to keep to the left, because it will be a mud disaster inside. Let's see. Oh. Oh. Ooh. And beds. Oh, it's so deep here. Oh. Come on. Ay. Oh. Yeah. I can see the light. Finally. Wow. It's not so easy. Okay. So I did that. And now I wait for my people. It's not an easy day. It's not an easy day. I can hear them talking. They are struggling. Yeah, come on guys, you can do it. Yay. Doggy, go aside. Los Lagos. Everybody there? Yes. Okay, now only looking for some shadow. Here. Oop.
Pueden poner los cascos, pónganlos acá. Aquí. Los cascos acá.
camarones, ¿no? O salsa de hoy, sí. Gracias.
Para mí. Bueno, muchas gracias.
Oh, that looks good. Lo tuyo se ve bueno. Right, we are in Agua Chica. It's sort of late, I guess almost 5 o'clock. I cannot see it right now. We're going to the hotel. I'm gonna take off my goggles. Ooh, yeah, better. Have to watch out for the hotel. And then this day is done. And what a day it was. Wow. So cool. And everybody enjoyed the trail of the old ferrocarril. Everybody there? Yes. I will go right inside and then park the bikes somewhere here.
Okay, Mr. Byrne, you said letter respect, right? Oh, we already had that.
Muy bien.